I'm in the car in the parking lot of Walmart, and I'm about to go in there and I'm gonna get goggles. And I'm getting goggles because we're gonna go to the lake. That's what we're gonna do today. And I'm hella excited. I need to see what's going on under them waters. So I'm getting goggles, the kind with the nose, because period. So yes, that's what I'm getting from Walmart, and then we're gonna head to the lake. I'm in Walmart. They didn't have the kind with the nose in the seasonal section. They took the seasonal section down because it's after the 4th of July. So now they're putting all the school stuff up. So I had to come to a different aisle, and it's like the adult goggles. And so they don't have any ones with the nose, but I can still go to the kids section and look for the one with the nose. Bro, it's raining so hard. You hear it, the roof. But these are the ones I got. They didn't have them in black, so I had to get them in clear. Yeah, so I really should just go ahead, but it's raining. I'm trying to wait out the rain, see? And I'm wearing a white shirt. Tragic.
Some songs as well. Yeah, that was me getting arrested. That's old PTSD.
Okay.
Tell the people that we back.
Please calm down.
I'm sorry, but I just love life right now.
Okay, okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Well, let me give you some ground rules. This is my vlog.
Oh my
Get your own. Second. Anyway, put your foot on the brake.
Oh, she said fancy.
Now.
Yeah, I'm in the Mozzie.
Okay, now, cut and print. Let's start this over. My God. Okay, so I'm at my grandma's house. She lives 15 minutes away from the lake. I got my little brother. He'll be driving.
Y'all know me, man. Y'all act like y'all ain't see me in the vlogs and shit, man.
I need you to just slow your ass down.
Well, I was in that Chevy, boy. I was pushing 60 of it, man.
Okay,
Living like I was a legend.
Well, my life is precious, so I'm gonna need you to proceed with caution. We usually go to this normal spot, but I'm gonna explore some other spots. Like, we're passing the spot we usually go to, but we're gonna keep going and try and find some other places. Let's explore and adventure.
It leads to a road, and then if we go down the road, it'll probably have another place. Ooh, what's that up there? Should we hop out and explore? Damn, this is nice. Let me see if I have any parkour skills. Are you ready?
Yes.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay, I did it. Okay, let's go.
It's just a lazy shoe.
I'm not into Crocs. Sorry, Crocs. Nothing against your brand. It's just not my. I find it a lazy shoe.
Well, of course they had to turn it to an attraction. But I mean, damn, like this is expensive.
I've never been this close to a boat.
She should have never been that close.
Or reliable.
Zoe 101 on Netflix?
Yeah. Okay, but Dan Schneider is a creep. If you actually go back and watch it.
Of course. This nigga was addicted to toes. It's a lazy shoe.
I find it a lazy shoe.
country ass road. This says it's highway. It's a highway. I'm uncomfortable. I was like, no. Kel was like, it's a country road.
Right.
It was marked in the navigation. It's telling us to go this way, but I'm so uncomfortable.
Woo, this is the country.
Yeah,
The deepest of deep.
it's giving backwoods.
Oh shit, well how's this gonna work? They're like, God damn it. Let me see what I can do for them.
Oh
They'll do for me.
my gosh. We're in the tree. This is so much.
You were like, where we got to, you were like, no, don't go here.
Exactly. Because my black senses were tingling. They were fishing.
Yeah, sir.
Like, we just saw two people fishing on the side of this dirt road. We are deep in it.
Right.
They just bulldozed some shit and said, this is the road
This
now.
is a new fucking highway.
No need for concrete. So my little brother had to go to work, but I'm back by myself where we usually swim. I'm looking in the water because it's hot. Come in the water with me. It's the vibes. It's the vibes. Like, I'm scared to get any deeper because it rained and so she's murky. So, I'm gonna stay where I can see straight through the water. But if I was with somebody else, I would go deeper. But I'm alone, so I'm peeing in the lake right now. I'm leaving the lake. It was fun. It was a fun little adventure. Now it's time to go home.